Hi there, this is Dean Kalora, CEO and co-founder of TitleTap. If you're hearing this right now, it's likely because one of our sales team members or support team members shared Utility Connect with you and you had interest in learning more about it. So the purpose of this short video is to tell you about it and also talk about the next step if you want to get it added to your website. So in a nutshell, we learned about this service through another customer, which was crazy. But as we dug into it, it just made a lot of sense for it to be part of any title agent or attorney agent's site, purely because many times in the process of the transaction, many times in the beginning stages, you're onboarding a buyer and a seller, you're getting their contact information, and a natural process in any move is transferring utilities, which for any of us that have actually had that experience, it's a pain in the neck. And what this company does is basically offer a white glove experience where they gather all the information to all the utilities that are in your area. If you're able to get them transferred without having to physically be there or do something, they help you with that. If you do have to physically be there, they tell you what to bring and what to expect. So it's a great service for, again, alleviating stressors that come with the move and transferring utilities. So what the process looks like is we set you up with a marketing page on your website. Looks a lot like what you see here as the example. You also get a PDF brochure that has a lot of the same content, which I'll show you here in just a moment. But if a customer clicks on this, it takes you to a co-branded web page. So this is the Utility Connect page. It would have your logo there. And then you'll kind of see here, it describes a little bit more about the services. And on the middle of the page has what services they offer to help you with. And so here you can elect, electricity, security, internet, etc. You can plug in your information here, estimated move date, request a call back, and then a member from the Utility Connect team will call the customer and get the process started. So it's really, really that simple. There's a couple of ways to actually think about how you would roll this out. The first option is like a self-service option where you would just direct customers to your website, have them click on the assistance button, just like I did, and it would direct them to this page, and here they can make their selection. Or you could take in this kind of information on that onboarding form at the time of contract and order, and then have your title processor or title closer come to this particular page and fill out and submit on behalf of the customer. You can do both. So we've seen our customers do one or the other and also do both. So it just really depends on what you're comfortable with. But it's a great way to engage your customers, engage your realtors, and let them know that you have this added white glove service now as part of your business and part of your transaction experience. The PDF that is generated with this is something you could attach to commission checks. You could send it out electronically, have it around the office. Your marketing team can use it for, conversation starters, etc. And it's just a great way to, again, differentiate yourself a little bit in the marketplace as, an added value. So one other really cool feature is that every year, whenever new offers come about, or there's some kind of a billing change or whatnot with one of the utility companies, Utility Connect actually sends an email reminder, and it's co-branded with your branding. So they keep your brand in front of the customer year in and year out to post-close, which I thought was really cool. The other question I get a lot is, so what does this cost to implement? Right now, there's no cost. So they actually get paid through the utility companies, and that's how they're compensated. So there's no cost to you, the title agent or attorney agent, and there's no cost to the consumer. So it is a no-brainer in our opinion. And so if this is something you want added, simply let the team member that introduced this to you know that you'd like to have Utility Connect added. We'll get you started, and that process is that Utility Connect gets notified by our team. They develop that co-branded page that you saw along with the brochure. You then get sent that for review. As long as that's approved, we then at that point create the marketing page on your website and get you live. Okay. Once you're live, you'll get another video just like this one on the next steps on how you can go about marketing this particular service and some best practices and ideas on doing that. So we'll look forward to that once you go live and get started. So hopefully you found this helpful and the time productive. Again, if you're looking to get going with it, just let our team member know that you would like to have it added and we'll take it from there. So hope you have a great day and look forward to working with you. Thank you. Bye.